meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize.
我们现在要去坐动物探险车。哇，好凉啊！
Jumbo, everybody, my name is Ashley. I'll be because that mimics the shadows and sunlight makes a wild beast. Approximately 1.2 million wildebeest will migrate anywhere between 500 and 1,000 miles. Yeah, a little bit. It's enough that they have honeybees, which are such honeybees. That ship also they can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour. That traffic passes quite a lot.
我们要去玩阿凡达。哇！
I don't know enough weight to have that gap.
阿凡达之舞。天外奇迹的鸟。
Apparently, this is not a good video.
我们来看海底总动员的秀。 下大雨，我们也太惨了吧！
然后就侧侧的看完美。
好，雨超级大。我们现在来吃饭，玉米、热狗，大家都好悲惨，裤子都湿了，衣服都湿了。我们要玩这个急流泛舟。Hello。今天去好莱坞。好莱坞。前面这个就是好莱坞的地标。
You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I supposed to
谁的大脚丫？
do. So now I'm walking out.
我们现在要去看印第安纳 Jones 的秀。
Waking up my brain.
见哦。
I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens.
我们来参加一个 party。
哦，
哦，
There we go. And big high. Here's some applause. Round of applause.
我们现在要去看 Frozen。
认。
哇！我们现在要去看美女与野兽的秀，超级多人。
Stop it, I say. Do you hear me?
Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out.
耶！玩具总动员。
In my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. Want me to say something?
来了！
Come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we
等下等到上面那个。他会坐到上面。
我们要玩这个射击游戏。哎，一直有人跟我说 Happy Birthday。这个月是你生日吗？我们要拿一个4D 眼镜。我都数老张了，而且才24%，超烂的。下一站旋转杯。
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head to open window. 'Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, baby.
我们下一个要玩的是弹簧狗的云霄飞车，超多人，要排1个小时。
紧张到想大便了。
会痛吗？
对啊。
变天了。这恐怖在这里。
对啊。因为我这是后面原。
到了。
好悲惨哦，又下大雨喽，又下大雨。
然后又湿了。
我们到了 Star World， 我们的星际大战第一个游戏，小臭味，好臭。哇
These two droids anyway.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
然后是这样。
星际大战的第二个游戏。他们两个是船长，我跟老张是神射手，我们自己一艘船。
Put our bags on the ground in front of you. Welcome up.
Go outside, take a little ride.
Up here, see.
哎，我们再来一次，再来一次。
Pieces in my room. You're coming over. That's cool.
Go go go！ 我们今天的最后一个 ride，Mickey。
Go outside, take a little ride. Want me to say something? I come up with nothing.
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now let's go.